Alan Ochanda is on that bit, and he'll be bringing us the latest in our subsequent bulletins. Now, the Federation of Women Lawyers in Kenya and university student leaders have condemned the rising cases of femicide in the country, appealing to the government to speed up investigation processes and bring the culprits to book. Now, while highlighting the murder cases, such as that of the late starlet Wahu Mwangi, a female student from Machakos University who was recently found stabbed to death in an Airbnb in Nairobi's South B area. Now, they called on the government to put security measures for Airbnb operations, such as documentation checks.
Of girls and women and young people to protect themselves. It is collectively as a society for us to have the role to appreciate that indeed we must have safety in our homes, in our communities, in our schools.
FIDA Kenya is deeply concerned by the increasing instances of violence against women and girls, and particularly the gruesome murder of one starlet Wahu, deceased in circumstances disclosing violence against women in the form of intimate partner violence, IPV. It is extremely saddening that in the last 1 year, 10 cases of femicide have been reported in the media. Many more cases remain unreported today.
The government of Kenya must guarantee women and girls' safety from IPV. In addition, we call upon the criminal justice actors to take into consideration the rights of the victims' families and their representatives at all stages of criminal proceedings, in further reaffirming the right to access to justice. We also call upon the government to further strengthen the regulatory mechanisms for Airbnbs where the recent reported incidences have occurred.
When you have your friend, make sure that if they are going somewhere, maybe for a social event, if you're going together, if they are visiting someone, make sure that you check up on them. The issue of Scarlett, we had at some point she was reaching out to several people, but no one was responding to her. I believe if we can be cautious, if we can be our brother's keeper, we can be able to capture these things before they escalate to a very dire level.
In a bid to convince the government to